First time on the market. This immaculate Northwest Craftsman home in Ferndale's Skyview neighborhood offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and single-level living at its finest. The open floor plan boasts luxury vinyl floors, vaulted ceilings, and a light-filled living room with a cozy gas fireplace. A spacious kitchen with granite countertops is perfect for entertaining, while the primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. Step outside to a beautifully landscaped yard with lush flowers, shrubs, a rock water feature, and a large covered patio with gas barbecue hookup. Backing up to nearly 15 acres of serene green space and a bird sanctuary, this private and well cared for home shows true pride of ownership.